In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove your date of birth from your profile on the Twitter X app. Whether you want to better protect your privacy or correct inaccurate information, this process allows you to easily remove your date of birth from your profile. So, let's get started with the process. First, open the X app and log into your account. When you're on the home screen of the X app, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. In the menu, tap on Profile to open your profile page. Once you're on your profile, tap the Edit Profile option. Now find the birth date option and tap on it. When you reach this part, you will see the Remove Birth Date option in red at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and then in the pop-up window that appears, tap the Remove option to confirm that you want to remove your date of birth from your profile. And that's it. After this step, your date of birth will be removed from your profile. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more useful videos. See you very soon, and thank you for watching.